So for the beat part, we use an F roll. So you're going to pip with your G finger, tap with your E finger, and you're going to do it up the octave. Okay, listen to this rhythm. Da, da, da. That's what you're going to go for here. Right? Play a G, then pip with your G finger, tap with your F finger. Right? Start off with your A and then snap your V finger down as you play. Now we're going to do a G cut with an A. So you start off with your finger in the A position and you snap your G finger down as you play. Okay? So you're going to start off in the G position and snap your F finger down as you breathe. So go. Right? So now we're going to try an E running into a D in a very funky way. Okay? So it's really easy actually. What you have is an E and a normal pip with the G finger. Okay, nothing weird about that. You've done this before, you know how to do it. Okay, now just to make it fun, what you're going to do is go immediately to a D after. And the rhythm is key here. So you're going to go D, da, da, D, or da, 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 da. Okay, so try that. Ready, go. Remember, once again, to make your ornament note as fast as possible. Okay, Mahu. So the first section is E, F, roll, G, roll. Try that with me. Ready, go. Okay, now the articulation pattern is tongue, roll, roll. So you split the articulation between the two rolls, okay? Now, next thing you're going to do is so it's A, F, D, C, B, A, and you go slur from the previous phrase, from the previous section, Gumlashgel. Tongue, slur, tongue, tongue, sounds like this. Okay, try it with me. Ready, go. And together. Lovely stuff. Mahu. So the first thing you do is F, breath, F, G, roll. So it's F, tongued, and then the F slides into the G roll and the slur, and then the G slurs into the next note, but we'll leave that to later. So for now, try this. Okay, now you're going to go. So it's A, F, D, D, F, G. And you're going to go tongue, 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 slur. So try that with me. Lovely and easy. Now let's try that all together. Ready, go. Fair play to you. Ready, go. Okay, Lena Tree is very similar to the descending pattern in the Rambling Pitchfork. So it goes. Excuse my squeak. So you go cut on your A, G, F, cutting your G, F, E, cutting your F, E, D. Okay, so let's try that. Lovely stuff. And the next section is, which you'll have learned from our ornamentation section, is the E with the run down to your D. So you're going to go E, cut with the G, quickly back to your E, onto your D. Okay, so now let's put them all together. Excuse my squeaking, good God in heaven. So this is extremely similar to Cuid Hain. You just go C, A, B. So try that. And then you go G, B, A, F, D, D. Tongue, sir, tongue, tongue, tongue. And let's try that all together. Ready, go. Lovely stuff. When you're doing Cuid Dubh for the second time, right, what you do is you just give yourself a chance to take 1 or 2 more breaths. So essentially, instead of doing phrase 1 and then phrase 2, you steal the breath substitution roll thing and you apply it to phrase 1 as well as phrase 2. So instead of going on phrase 1, instead of doing that, you just go breath. Okay, and then what's really nice is you do that again in phrase 2 the second time, and it gives it this nice punchy difference to the first time through. Okay, so let's try phrase 3 and phrase 1 and phrase 2 the second time round. Ready, go. And then the rest is identical. Fair play. Ready,